Hermoso Formaran. And there you have it, ladies and gentlemen, our birthday celebrator. A round of applause for Miss Kyla. Ayan, the very beautiful and stunning lady tonight in her purple dress. Ayan, and of course, tonight we gather not merely to mark the passage of time, but to celebrate a vibrant young woman blossoming into her own, a testament to the love, support, and guidance she has received through her life. Ayan po, since tayo po lahat ay nakatayo na, muli po isang masigabong palakpakan